You can use the free payroll calculator to compute payroll taxes, add deductions, and prepare and print paychecks and pay stubs. Click Free Calculator to start. Enter the basic paycheck information, such as marital status, withholding exemptions, and state information. Pay cycle is an important factor in computing payroll taxes. Let's choose biweekly. To create a paycheck, we first enter the earnings and compensation. We can use hours worked, let's say 80 hours. Enter a pay rate and click Calculate. All the payroll taxes are computed, including federal, Social Security, Medicare, disability, and state income tax withholds. We can add other earning items, such as overtime. Let's pretend it's 8 hours of overtime at 150%. Click Add. If an employee is a salaried employee, instead of entering hourly rate, you can enter the compensation directly. For example, the pay is $3,000 for every 2 weeks. You can add other types of earnings, like a bonus of $500. Or a commission. Perhaps the commission is based on the task completed. Let's say they completed 10 tasks during the period and each task is worth $30. Calculate, and you get $300. You can add deductions. For example, a 401k contribution. A 401k is a pre-tax deduction. Let's say we add $1,000. Again, the taxes are computed and the net pay is reduced. We could also have a premium-only plan. This would be a non-tax deduction. Most of the payroll tax items are done according to the tax tables as well as the fixed withholding amounts. However, you can add local taxes. Let's say there's a 1% deduction for local education. You can add the item. After the taxes are computed, there still may be an adjustment you want to make. For example, let's say child support is required. In this case, since we are taking money out of the net pay, we will enter a negative amount. Click Add, and the net pay is dropped accordingly. Now you can print a pay stub. The top portion is just for your records, and the bottom 2 portions contain the earnings, taxes, and deduction information. If you want to create or print an actual paycheck, you need to enter more information. Click Print Paycheck. If you have a pre-printed company check, you can use Print Pre-printed Paycheck. In this case, only the amount, employee information, and check date are printed.